The F-35 is a fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States and its allies. It is one of the most advanced and sophisticated fighter aircraft in the world. Here are some key points about the F-35. Variants. The F-35 program includes three main variants. F-35A, Conventional Takeoff and Landing, CTOL, variant designed for the U.S. Air Force and other air forces. F-35B, Short Takeoff and Vertical Landing, STOVL variant designed for the U.S. Marine Corps and other countries requiring a vertical landing capability. F-35C, carrier-based variant with larger wings and tailhook for catapult launches and arrested landings, designed for the U.S. Navy. Stealth capabilities. The F-35 incorporates advanced stealth technology, making it difficult for enemy radar systems to detect and track it. Its low radar cross-section and other design features enhance its survivability in contested airspace. Multi-role capabilities. The F-35 is designed for various mission types, including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, electronic warfare, intelligence gathering, and reconnaissance. It is intended to replace a wide range of aging fighter aircraft in the inventories of the United States and its partner nations. International program. The F-35 program is a joint endeavor involving multiple countries. Besides the United States, several allied nations have invested in the program and participate in its development and production. These partners include the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Italy, Norway, Denmark, the Netherlands, and others. Controversies. The F-35 program has faced challenges and controversies, including cost overruns and delays in development and production. However, ongoing efforts have been made to improve the program's efficiency and reduce costs. Ongoing upgrades. The F-35 is expected to undergo continuous upgrades throughout its service life to ensure it remains relevant and effective against evolving threats. Keep in mind that developments in military technology and aircraft can change rapidly, so it is advisable to consult more recent sources for the latest information on the F-35 program.